In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Odoo Calendar with Outlook. It's a fantastic way to streamline your schedule, whether you're managing business appointments or personal events, and keeping everything in one place makes it all the more efficient. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to have access to your Odoo instance. Once you're there, navigate over to the main dashboard. From the dashboard, you'll want to find and select Settings. Settings is where you'll customize and configure the various modules available in Odoo. Look for the Calendar option within the Settings menu. Clicking on this brings you to the specific area where you can adjust your calendar settings. This next step involves Azure, so make sure you've already set up an application in the Azure portal to obtain the necessary credentials. You will need this to establish a connection between Odoo and Outlook. If you haven't done so yet, pause the video and set that up, ensuring you have your client ID and client secret ready. Once you have your Azure credentials in hand, go back to Odoo's Calendar Settings section. Here, you'll see the fields that require these credentials for authentication. Start by pasting the client ID you received from Azure into the corresponding field in Odoo. The client ID acts as a unique identifier that allows your Odoo calendar to communicate with your Outlook calendar through the Azure platform. Next, move on to the client secret. This works like a secure password that further authenticates the connection. Carefully paste this client secret into the provided field in Odoo. Remember to double-check both the client ID and client secret for any errors. A small typo can lead to authentication issues, so accuracy is key. Once both of these pieces of information are correctly entered, look for a Save button or option within the interface. Clicking Save will ensure that all the changes you've made are securely stored and that the connection between your Odoo calendar and Outlook should now be active. After saving, take a moment to check if the sync is working by navigating to your calendar. You should start seeing events from Outlook appearing in Odoo and vice versa. Having your calendars synchronized allows for real-time updates, so you never miss an important meeting or event, whether you're in your office or on the go. And there you have it. Syncing your Odoo calendar with Outlook is not only simple, but incredibly beneficial for managing your schedules seamlessly. There's nothing quite like having everything you need at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you enjoyed the content or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy scheduling!